Straight your one leg, another, and slowly come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Now same position, mountain climbing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Same position. Now crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. On your knees. Now touch your sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and down. Excellent job. Your position, your hands on your chest level. Now hip bridge. Let's start. Up, 1, 2, 3, down. 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 Up, 1, 2, 3, and down. Very well. Now step forward your hands. Straight your one leg, another, and this is the Kegel position. Slowly come down. 1, and come back the same position where you start. We're gonna start, right? Let's start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Excellent. On your knees. On your knees. 10 seconds stay. Inhale and exhale with your nose. Just use your nose. Take a long breath with your nose. All right. On your hands. Straight your one leg, another, and widen and close your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Great. Now step forward your hands and straight your one leg. Look at the front side. Straight your eyes and leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and down. Now change your leg. We'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and down. Now straight your leg and your hand. In same position, raise, equality, and flow. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Change your side. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Very well. On your knees. Great. Take 5 seconds. This is the exercise we are feeling right now. We are sweating extraordinarily. Right? Let's start. On laying position. Alright. Hold your feet in sitting position and slowly come back. Yeah. Now straight your hands up your belly and maximum up. 3 seconds stay. Let's start. Up. 1, 2, 3. Down. 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 Last one. Up. Maximum up. 1, 2, and down. Now, your hands on your ears. Let's start. Short crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, touch the sky. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very well. You don't need to do this, alright? What I'm doing. This is a complete crunch. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and sit down, Mr. Right. Your hands, position. This is the retractor crunch. There is 20 repetitions or 15. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now stretch your back, turn your hands, and move forward yourself. Yep. Very well. All right. All right. On your position, come in this position. Yep. Do it. I'm on this. Raise your knees, turn your neck, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. All right. All right. On your mat, take the position. Your hands, position up your head, and raise your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Now Caesar crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. 30 seconds you have. Now touch your toes up your head. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Very well. Now straight your hands and legs. Is it easy to do? You can. Otherwise, no need to do, right? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Now 330, 60, 90, and back. Up your head. Let's start from 3 inch. 1, 2, 3, 30, 1, 2, 3, 60, 1, 2, 3, 90, 1, 2, 3, 60, 1, 2, 3, 30, 1, 2, 3, 3 inch, 1, 2, 3, and down. Now just raise your one leg, down your head, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Change, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Excellent. Now, sit up, come in this position. All right. Take last 20 seconds. After this, a plank of 1 minute. Let me start our stopwatch. This is a plank. Yeah. All right, guys. Are you ready? Great. Let's position, get, set, and start. Tight your core, tight your belly. Look down, your hands. The same position. Stay in this position. Very well. Now 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and up. All right, on your chin. All right, now your hands on your chest level. Slowly come up in cobra position. Now, back stretch. Up your head. I always saying you one thing again. Don't need to touch the floor with your head. Now, your hands on your back. Use your nose. Shut your mouth. Now slowly, slowly come up and relax. Now widen your knees, more wider. Don't need to touch, don't need to high your hips. Come from this position and slowly, slowly, slowly come down. And slowly, 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 where we start. Excellent job. Very well done. Now, take butterfly position. Take in butterfly position. Now, clap your feet. Close. Straighten back. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Now, yoga position. Twenty seconds meditation. Inhale and exhale with your nose. Shut your eyes and off everything. Take a long breath. All right. Now, last position. Slowly raise your hands and laugh. What are you doing? I said laugh and make voice. All right, come back. All right, guys, we are done today. This is a whole body exercise. We start from a warm up, and we indulge your core and low back, and we're doing some yoga poses. We're doing last. There's the stretching exercises and the laughing exercises for very well for heart and lungs and metabolism systems. So today's end. See you tomorrow, inshallah, with Fit Feast Muhammad Bilal.